What's up, Apple friends? I have an iPhone. I have me. iPhone, Vince. This is Vince, and in this video, I'll be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max and will share with you my first impression. By the way, I came from iPhone 11, so this is a massive improvement, I suppose. Let's go. And by the way, again, that corny intro is shot in cinematic mode at 1080p on iPhone 13 Pro Max. But the unboxing is shot using my Canon 77D, my first time using the DSLR. Alright, let's open this skinny box with skinny iPhone with skinny everything except the price. Wow! I really love this graphite color, but let's put it aside for now. Let's see what's inside this skinny box first. No charging thingy, another gains for the price. At least they gave us the 3-feet USB-C to lightning cable. Next is your paperwork. Unfortunately, no silica gel that you don't eat. They also gave you sticker to make up from the charger thing. And lastly, the pangkulangot. I mean the something for your SIM card.
Alright, let's build this up ASMR.
I really love this graphite color. Very nice, my friends.
Let me clean up real quick.
And this is the accessories. Let's open the screen protector first, which contains 3 of it. You also have kiosk stickers, the installation kit, the camera lens protector, which I'm not putting on because it will mess up your footage. And you have the pre-in-slide stickers for the 2 screen protectors. I think this is made in Visayas, Philippines. I'm just kidding. Alright, let me put this screen protector while you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Before I forget, let me put the SIM card.
Galing mo talaga, bright ka.
Let's move on and put the case while you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Too much? Get over it. Like and subscribe. Make sure hands off the side. I hate the side of this phone. It leaves your forensics. Hands off. Dust. Alright. I always charge any gadget before turning it on, just for my sanity. Let me set up my fiance's iPhone while I'm waiting. Hers always ended up perfect because I already did all the mistake on mine. Like I should not peel off the white thing in the screen until I'm ready to put on the screen protector so it prevents the dust. Alright, let me sync my old iPhone to this new phone. It will probably take an hour, so I'll be back. Don't miss me just yet. Finally done setting it up. Took forever, bro. Let's talk about the features that I like and why we upgraded. Mainly is the camera and the display, but mostly this is the best in everything. Of course, it's only my opinion. First, the screen. You can see the difference. The 1200 nits and the super duper retina display of iPhone 13 is way better than my iPhone 11. Next is the 120Hz display. Let's see the 120Hz if you can tell the difference. Ang ganda ng 120Hz. Mas smooth pa sa mukha ni Heart Evangelista. Maganda pang Mobile Legends to. And the camera features, which will be great when I'm vlogging and something. The only thing that I'm not a fan of is the sides of this phone can easily attract fingerprints. Oh, and the protruding camera lenses, but it can all be fixed by a case. Another gain for the price. Is it worth the upgrade? In our case, absolutely, because we came from iPhone 11. On the other hand, this phone is hard to come by. We got ours in Best Buy. buy. And I think it will be restocked by November. I will show you some of my macro shots before you see me again.
How about new?
And with that said, my friends, that's my 4-minute unboxing / review just for you of iPhone 13 Pro Max. By the way, this outro is shot on 4K at 30 FPS on the normal video. And thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day. Peace. Shout out to Jovi, #1 singer ng Jose Rizal University. Shout out to Madi, valedictorian ng Jose Rizal University. Shout out to Encomienda family and Cordero family. God bless you all. Peace.